So lagi nating nababalitaan ngayon yung Israel versus Hezbollah na war, no, yung sa Southern Lebanon. So bakit ba sila nag-aaway? At nung nalaman ko, nagulat ako na hindi ko alam kung sinong tama or mali. So here's what I know. Nagsimula pa siya nung itinayo Israel noong 1948. And slowly, nag-expand yung territory ng Israel noon eh. And they have their own reasons why they're doing that, no? Kaya naman, galit yung Palestine sa kanila noon eh. Actually, hanggang ngayon, di ba? Kasi nababawasan yung lupa ng Palestine. Slowly, they're occupying yung lupa ng Palestine. So I have a separate video on that. So yung Lebanon, yan yung nasa taas naman ng Israel. Gusto din nila syempre mag-expand dyan. And nung 1975, nagkaroon kasi ng civil war doon sa Lebanon. And during that time, pumasok yung Israel, na-occupy nila yung Southern Lebanon. And during that time, dyan nabuo yung Hezbollah. It was to repel yung Israeli occupation. And it was backed by Iran. And eventually, they were successful. Nasipa nila Israel from their land. So noong una, akala ko Hezbollah is just a terrorist group. Pero pag titingnan mo yung main reason kung bakit siya itanayo, may dahilan pala yung pagkabuo nila. So hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung conflict, no? Over the years, merong cross-border raids, bombahan, no? And lalo nag-intensify yan during the Israel-Hamas war, no? Which started last year. So dyan, pumasok din yung Hezbollah, no? Tapos recently, pinasok ng Israel mismo yung Southern Lebanon. And ngayon, nag-retaliate yung Iran. No? Iran na mismo nag-launch ng missile doon sa Israel. Tapos ngayon, nagmi-meeting na yung Security Cabinet ng Israel kung paano sila babawi pa. So yun yung nakakatakot kasi Iran versus Israel na, hindi na yung mga proxy groups kagaya ng Hamas, ng Hezbollah. Ito, direct Iran versus Israel na. And this is what's scary kasi ito yung pwedeng maging sanhi ng World War III. Wag naman sana, no? But it could be a root cause. Sana, hindi tayo maapektuhan dito sa Pilipinas. So, I want to know your thoughts. Meron bang tama? Meron bang mali? Or wala ba? Ano kayang pwedeng gawin para ma-de-escalate yung war? So, kindly comment your thoughts below. Share sana. Anyway, thank you everyone and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.